Okay, guys, today we're going to talk about haikus and how to write haikus, okay? Gotta make that weird sound though. Haiku! So check it out. I got my nifty nifty poetry packet. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to slide on over to page, I believe it is 11. Yes, slide on over to page 11. Now, earlier this week, we did the I am poem, so that should be filled in up there. I'm not worried about the I am poem. I'm worried about these instructions down here for haiku. So I'm going to lower my camera. I'm going to take a look at these instructions right here. Let's see if I can get. By golly, I got to get that lined up better. There we go. All right, now we're looking at better. Okay, so haikus are also known as snapshot poetry. Okay, it's a 3-line poem consisting of 17 syllables, 5, 7, and 5. Okay. I'm going to show you some examples before I get into what you're going to do. So if you look at these examples, it says, if you can smell the rockets cooking for lunch, you should grab a plate. Hey, that's kind of funny right there because I'm making allusion to the rock. Okay, so if you look at the format, it says, if you can smell what? That's 5. The rock is cooking for lunch. That's 7. You should grab a plate. That's 5. So 5, 7, 5. I'm going to write that in here. Grab my nifty nifty pen. 5, 7, 5. Just like that, okay? Ooh, this one's kind of cut off, so let me jump over here. My daddy was a mailman named Elvis. He had sideburns for days, yo. Doesn't make a lot of sense, but that's okay. Check it out. My daddy was a. That's 5. 5 syllables. Mailman named Elvis. He had. That's 7. Sideburns for days, yo. That's 5. Okay. It's called snapshot poetry because it's not like narrative poetry where you're telling a story. It's not lyrical poetry where you're exploring feelings. It's not dramatic poetry that gets performed. You're simply grabbing a snapshot of something going on and making a poem out of it. So if you look like this, look at this one over here. If I had to pick between Hulk and Iron Man, then I would pick Thor. Doesn't make a lot of sense. But that's okay, because if I had to pick, it's 5. Between Hulk and Iron Man, 7. Then I would pick Thor, that's 5. Okay? So, there we go. 5, 7, 5. Okay? They're really easy to write. They're quick to write. It's just counting syllables. Okay? I know you guys know how to count syllables, because you used to do that in elementary school, like Michael Bean. You count the claps in your name. So, Michael Bean, that's 3 syllables. Michael Allen Bean, that's 5 syllables, okay? I like spaghetti, that's 5 syllables right there, okay? So, according to this, it says you're going to write 5 haiku poems, a total of 5, okay? 1 haiku is 20 points each. Each haiku must deal with a different subject, okay? Use your imagination, be creative, and have fun. I got to make sure I remember to follow that 5-7-5 format, okay? And then it says I got 5 examples that Mr. Bean wrote in 10 minutes. So if I can do this in 10 minutes, anybody can do this, okay? So I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to do. I'm going to do one right now for you. Hey, Sunday is Valentine's Day, so for Valentine's Day, I gave you my heart. Funny, right? Funny, where's my other one? I got to show you all this. I know it's completely random, but I have to show you this. Because I gave this to my Tuesday, Thursday kids, got one of these today. And then I said, it's a volcano. It says 20 years from now, you'll still be talking about the Valentine's Day where Mr. Bean gave you a card that said, I love you. Oh, it's funny. All right, so I'm going to take this. I'm going to flip it over. I'm going to show you how easy it is to write a haiku. So let's see here. Basketball for middle school starting up. So basketball is... Basketball is cool. There we go. So line 1. Basketball is cool. Period. Basketball is cool. I also like spaghetti. There we go. Spaghetti's on my line, y'all. I also like spaghetti. Boom. 5, basketball's cool. I also like spaghetti. That's 7. So my last line has got to have 5 syllables. Let's see here. What else do I like? Basketball's cool. I also like spaghetti. Taco Bell is life. Oh, here we go. Taco Bell is life. There we go. Taco Bell is life. Boom. And that's got 5 syllables. So 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 7 is 17, 17 syllables. Basketball's cool. Also like spaghetti. Taco Bell's life. Boom. Just like that, I wrote one haiku. Okay. So I literally wrote down like what, 2 minutes maybe. Let's do something else. Let's see. I'll write one about Batman. How about that? Batman is a man. Okay, here we go. Batman is a man that lives in a bat cave. Wait, that lives under a mansion. That lives under a mansion. Here we go. Is a man that lives under a mansion and fights crime for days. And fights crime for days. There we go. And fights crime for days. Put a week on it. 4 days. So check it out. Batman is a man. That's got 5 syllables. I counted. Batman is a man that lives under a mansion. That's 7. And fights crime 4 days. That's 5. So I got 5. I got 7. And I got 5. Okay? 5, 7, 5. Just like that. That's all you gotta do. It's just Snapchat poetry. You're just taking something and making a snapshot of it. Okay? So, it doesn't have to be serious. It can be funny. It can be stupid. It doesn't even have to make a whole lot of sense, okay? This one doesn't make a lot of sense because I heard about Taco Bell spaghetti and oh, man. Imagine playing basketball while trying to eat spaghetti tacos like iCarly. That would be epic right there, okay? But now I just got to write 3 more of these, and I'm done. Look at that. Today, when you get done with these, take a picture. You guys are remote. Take a picture and email it to me. Email it to me. Email it to me. Okay. You guys that are in classroom learning, my Tuesday, Thursday people, I'm going to check this on Tuesday in your notebooks. Okay. You don't have to type it up. You don't have to do anything like that. Just write it in your notebook. Tuesday I'll come around. I'll check it off. Boom, you're done. My Wednesday people, same thing. I will check it in your notebook on Wednesday, okay? You do not need to type it up quite yet. If you type it up, make sure you print it out. I'll check it in your notebook on either Tuesday or Wednesday. Remote kids, once you finish your 5 poems, take a picture, send it to me, okay? Now check it out. These 5 poems right here will make up 1 entry to your poetry booklet. So I know the other day you guys were in class. No, we did this the other day. I'm going to go back to this. On the poetry project page, we wrote down an I am poem. Now your I am poem can be one of your entries to your poetry booklet. Your second one, you can put haiku. Make sure you wrote 5 of those. Those 5 haiku will make up one of your entries, okay? So when you get done writing your haikus, you will have an I am poem complete for your poetry booklet. You'll also have 5 haiku poems complete, which will equal 1 entry in your poetry booklet. Hot dog, hot diggity dog. Look at that. And if you got questions, send me an email. Again, I'll say Remote kids, you finish your 5 haiku, take a picture, send to me by email. You guys are in class learning Tuesdays and Thursdays. My cohort B people, I'll check it on Tuesday in your notebook. My Wednesday people, I'll check it on Wednesday, okay? Because we're not going to be in school on Monday. If you got a question, holler at me, send me an email. You can tweet me at TeachingBean. Whatever you want to do, okay? If you have any questions, send me an email, though. Hopefully, you guys are going to have a great weekend because you're not here on school Friday and you're not going to be there on Monday. So Monday is a completely free day. There'll be no learning going on Monday. I'm not going to post anything to Google Classroom because Monday is off. So I'm not going to expect you to do any work because we're supposed to have the day off. So enjoy that Monday. Got any questions? Send me an email. Talk to you all later.